has turned into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over.
It's part 3 of our Six Flags vlog. We're back again for the 4th of July. You want to jump in? Girl, my hair. Just jump in, man. Hi, Mom. Wait. Okay, so what we doing today?
We are at Six Flags over Georgia, and we are also here for the 4th of July firework celebration. Yay! So come along with us and enjoy our day as we do.
Alright, let's go. Okay, y'all. Welcome to the hot to be touching. Welcome to the water park slide. Yay! This is the part 3 because the first one we did, we was on the regular ride, and the second one we was at like Fright Fest, like Scream Fest, I don't know. But now we're at the water park side, so this should be fun. And plus, I'm very hot. I already got my baby. Are you excited? So very excited. It just smelled chlorine
Everywhere.
water everywhere. Look at that little car. Hold on, we're gonna go over there. So, what you gonna get on first? What we gonna do? Anything we see?
As long as I can get on me like a good little ride, like a little thrill.
Yeah.
Ride,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna probably just come over here and just.
Hey, oh, look at the slide. Yeah, I'm getting on the slide. Hopefully, I'm like you're too tall, because I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna go for that.
Yeah.
Everybody kid that.
Such a nice car.
That's cute though. I feel like I'm at Team Beach.
Oh yes.
I'm gonna go watch it when I go home.
Sir, here is a bikini wonderland. Summer's on.
I don't know the word like that.
Oh.
You too Gen Z for me.
No, it's just because we had it was a play, the Team Beach movie play.
Let me I'm gonna go put my bathing suit.
Oh yeah, y'all go put your bathing suit on, and then
I'm gonna put my bathing suit on.
look at that tall water slide. Like I don't even know if y'all can see for real. I'm so excited, but so hot. I need somewhere to sit down because I can't breathe.
Coming over here back in the
Oh
day.
my gosh. Thanks. Want to be in the vlog? No? Okay. Bye. I don't even know if I can see for real, but we're at Hurricane Harbor. That's what that says, right? Yes.
We gotta get them.
So, I don't even know if y'all can see for real. Oh my god, I just turned white.
Did you bring them in black?
Anyways,
No, I didn't. I don't remember that. But he got a bunch of stuff. He can get ready because I didn't know. Yeah,
just took off his shoes like that.
y'all want to stay down?
Nothing.
Great. That's the most of the grill.
So we just take off our
I didn't
shoes.
sit here.
Wait, no pee. You want to be in the video now? That's so cute. Can't even see us.
Hey y'all.
You want to be in the video, dude? I can't even see him.
You want to take a crop?
Okay. So after this, I think we're just gonna like explore, like get up here, and then like just like yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. He don't want to go. Look at all these things. That's cute. All right. Now let's go. Well, actually, we're just gonna go get in the water. Oh, I think I'm gonna slip too, just like him. Oh no, this looks fun. I want to go like deep out there, but I don't want nobody to like
We need to go get on the side.
tumble and slap me in the face, and then I'm like this in the water. So yeah, it ain't no line up there, so we're gonna trust the no line, even though it might be potentially dangerous. Come on, Keyshawn. Come on, baby. Oh, you gonna stay with Sugar? Okay. Okay. We're finna go to this one. This one. Hey, see. Okay, so we just got on the slides on this side, and then we're in the pool. Little thing. Also, I don't even know if y'all just heard me, but I just said we got off the thing. The slides, and I kind of want to get on the other one on this side, the orange and blue one. Really, honestly, I want to get on that.
There's a wave.
There's a wave. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cool. We're shocked and dude. But yeah, I might just get on the wave pool because it's a long line on that other ride. But I kind of want to go, honestly. Woo! It is still hot. I need to like dry myself, huh? I'm getting out there because that looks fun. All right, bye. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock and they closed the. Ooh, I can't see nothing. And they closed the the thing, the water harbor, the water park in general. I can't see anything. Very nice car. This skin looks so good. Well, maybe not up close, but like further away. Dude. Babies just do anything. They just baby. Do anything. Okay, so we're gonna. I feel like an ant. It's like an ant, but we're gonna go find a ride, regular ride, and then like get on it. And then we're just gonna like explore the park, walk around some more. I'm gonna just film some more. I want to get on that. But yeah. Where are they? Oh, they slowed down. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, it's like a long, it's like one of those roller coasters in like TV shows where it'd be like, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna like end it here. Well, not end it here, but like we gotta face the sun. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I didn't turn it off. Bye. Never mind. Somebody put some calm music over it. Okay, so we just got off of Superman. This light work, no reaction. Really. I give it a solid, because it's our first ride of the day. So I give it a, wait, hold on. What you give Superman as a rating?
Superman was fun. I didn't like my chest hanging forward. So I would give it like a 7 out of 10.
7. Oh no, we missed them, but yeah. Tigo, what would you rate Superman? 6? Okay, what would you rate Superman? 7? What you rate Superman? 9? Okay. I gave it a 7, okay. So on to the next one. I don't even know what we're gonna do. Like, what? Yeah, let's make the most of our time before the fireworks. Can't see me. But yeah, let's go. Bye. Okay, so we just got off the Great American. It was fun. I liked it. It was fun. There was no loops and turns. It was just drops. And I was, oh, this right here. I liked it. It was really fun. I rate that I'd say a 10 out of 10 because it was like, you know, with all the shakes and stuff, like she said, you know, it kind of gave me a headache, but I'm good now. So, we're gonna get on like a few more rides because the park closed at 7. It's 4th of July. And it's hot. I just need to cool off just a little bit. Just a little bit. I would cry. Okay. We're gonna look away because we don't want to make her feel even more bad. Even more, yeah. I just need something to drink. My throat dry. And my hair, it's always been messed up, but just right now, even worse. So yeah. I just need something to drink. We're gonna go find something to drink. Alright. Okay. It's getting dark outside. Like real dark. What are you at? Who are you waving at? Anyways, it's lightning. Hey, you hear that thunder? I don't even know if y'all hear that for real, but we turned around. We're gonna go find another ride because I felt the drop. We're not gonna say nothing. What is that? It was just white on my screen. Anyways, yeah. And it's thundering. Dang. And they close at 7. They suck, bro. But anyways, we're gonna walk around. We didn't get no drinks yet, man. We didn't get no drinks. Just tired and hot. Oh, the train finna come. I think that's what that means. But the thing not down, so we can walk across and get ran over. Let's go. Oh, never mind. Let's watch the train go.
Bye, dude. He don't even care.
Okay, so we just came from the fireworks scene. It's kind of underwhelming because, you know, it wasn't that good. I could do that in my house for less than that, but I got a giant banana, so I'm not completely mad. And I got to get on some rides, like regular rides, so I'm not mad for real. It was short, so push in the stroller. Where the baby? So, it's hard to push up hill, but oh my gosh, thank you. And you know, we're probably gonna find something else to do because, you know, I'm a party girl, so I like going out. I like doing stuff. And if I'm inside, I probably just sleep. That's all I do is sleep if I'm not outside. So now we're going down here. I'm sick of these uphill down here. I'm gonna knock out because I'm tired. We had to carry the thing up there. I'm tired. I'm just tired altogether. Oh my gosh, I can't see nothing. And then it's raining on top of that. Like, I'm getting rained on as I'm speaking. It's like, oh no, don't touch that, baby. But it is. But I guess that concludes today's vlog. Very small, very chill. It's a day. So yeah, bye y'all. Okay, it's raining, but we're gonna tough it out, man. Yeah. Okay, let's go. All right, somebody else pushed the buggy. I did my 3 minutes. I want a banana. Well, yeah, I want a banana. Go to banana. It's not any regular banana. Go there. Oh. that was nice. Huh? Oh yeah. Tomorrow. Oh yeah. Oh, I wish I could have been a kid, bro. I thought that was my brother, so I didn't even say nothing. But I was like, wait, his hair is not even like that. Bye, Six Flags over Georgia. I guess that actually concludes the vlog. Maybe. Bye. We have like 20 minutes of the 4th of July left, so I'm finna make a cookie cake. Let's go.